Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video. And in this video I will introduce app. It's called Reelsy, Reel Maker and Video Editor application. Like if you want to get the trending reels in Instagram story or template, then you can use this app. So you can see the rating of the 4.2 out of 5 and 18k reviews, 37 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already use this app. So like if you want to see trends video, so you'll get the trending reels, 50 plus reels template. So there are many templates is available you can use. And trend song only you can get the trending song here, a sync video with music, and different categories. Like you'll get here different categories, new videos every week. So you will get the every week what is the trending video you'll get in this application. So there are a lot of things here, like when people said it's good and they gave the 5-star, and some people criticize. You can read the comment or reviews before installing this app, and this is really easy to use. I'll create more video in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.